ball game. A three-pointer pulls them to one. Washington, good feed inside and Boatwright hammered it.
好，背空，Mira Brown 单打出手得分。
Kai may hook shot here. Good soft touch.
Magandang araw mga Karim! Posible kaya ang isang Gilas Pilipinas lineup na may Kai Sotto, Quintin Milora Brown, Calum Harris at Benny Boatwright? Kung mangyari ito, magiging unstoppable kaya tayo sa FIBA Asia at sa world stage. Ano ang mga hadlang? Ano ang kailangan para magkatotoo ito? Malalaman natin sa video na ito. Please like and follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, nasa description ang link para sa mas mahaba pang usapan. Ang sentro ng atensyon ng mga Pinoy basketball fans, Kai Sotto. Sa taas na 7'3", may soft touch sa perimeter at may shot blocking skills na world class.
Reith with a dozen. Soto with the bucket from the Philippines. The pick, the roll. Harris slices the deep.
Kung kayo ang tatanungin mga Karim, bakit siya dapat maging cornerstone ng Gilas? At ano pa ang dapat niyang i-develop para mas epektibo sa international level? Kung si Kai Sotto ay magiging consistent sa kanyang outside shooting at mas lalakas ang kanyang depensa, magiging perfect fit siya sa isang dominant Gilas team. Si QMB o Quintin Milora Brown naman ay isang player na handang gawin ang lahat para sa team. Hindi man siya flashy, pero siya ang tipong kailangan ng Gilas para palakasin ang depensa at hustle plays.
They're going to have to find some sort of offensive execution, and you think Jordan Wright is part of that. Nice feed.
Who's on the ball now? Terrific rebounder.
The best is speed.
Boy, he has missed a couple right there, but gets his own miss, throws it up and put it through.
Ito ang kanyang mga skills. Una, defensive anchor. Pwedeng pantapat sa malalakas na bigs ng kalaban. Pangalawa, hustle plays, hindi takot sa physicality. At perfect fit bilang kakampi ni Kai Sotto sa front court.
Brown, his second. That's the first three for the Red Warriors. Milora Brown, top shot and a foul.
Sean Abate has been shooting the lights out here, but a quick answer coming from QMB after that tough putback.
Sa international stage, kailangan ng Gilas ng isang matibay na enforcer at si QMB ang pwedeng maging sagot. Si Calum Harris ang isa sa pinaka-exciting young talents na maaring magdala ng Gilas sa next level. Bata pa pero may elite athleticism at skill set na swak sa international game. Ito ang ilan sa mga katangian niya. Young but fearless, handang sumabay sa malalakas na players, knockdown shooter, malaking bagay para sa spacing ng Gilas. Defense and hustle, pwede siyang maging all-around player na swak sa sistema ng Gilas.
Again, it's a single round roll. Going to Timahano by Harris. Harris has a foul while he's at it.
Kung ang future ng Gilas ang pag-uusapan, Calum Harris ang isa sa dapat nating tutukan.
Everyone else is either even or negative. Ryan, partially blocked by Boatwright at 6'10", gets out and defends.
Si Benny Boatwright isang stretch big na kayang maglaro sa loob at labas. Sa isang team na kailangan ng outside shooting, si Boatwright ang maaaring maging game changer.
setting up a play and
Ito naman ang kanyang mga skills. Versatile scorer, kayang mag-shoot sa labas, mag-post up at maging playmaker. Perfect spacing partner kay Kai Sotto. At pwedeng maging go-to scorer ng Gilas kung kinakailangan.
High screen up top. And then slipping in, Boatwright fouled from behind. He'll get extra. As Ferguson got there late.
Imagine having a big man na kayang pumuntos mula sa kahit saan. Magiging mas unpredictable ang Gilas offense.
Pick and roll! Sykes to Boatwright who hammers it down.
Kung maisasama natin ang lineup na ito sa Gilas Pilipinas, gaano kalakas ang magiging impact nito?
Now they've got a small guy, Mez here, checking Clark to me, and immediately he wants to get to the block to post him up.
Follow-away jumper and the first bucket there for Jordan.
Young has registered 11. Here's Scotty in the corner. Finding Kai.
His teammate. That high pick and roll between him.
Ano sa palagay nyo mga Karim? May gusto pa ba kayong isama sa lineup?
Reads it well. Too far down low. He converts. We've done well tonight with that point for the lead. Then knock it down. Kai Sotto, second effort and goal.
Ang tanong, ano ang mga kailangang gawin ng Gilas at pamunuan nito? Una, commitment ng players at SBP para sa long-term Gilas program. Pangalawa, tamang coaching at team chemistry. At ang exposure sa international tournaments para mahasa ang skills at teamwork nila.
And the shot doesn't go off for Newsom. It can go to single digits here. Timmer, shot got blocked on the way through.
Kung may sasama natin ang mga batang ito sa Gilas pool at mabibigyan sila ng tamang sistema, walang duda, kaya nilang makipagsabayan sa world stage.
Newsom looking for the penetration. Finds a mid-range. Shot is up. A beautiful move by Chris Newsom. Brownlee comes up with it. Final 90 seconds. Now Jamie finds Ramos. He'll fire a three. It's up again. Tucks that one away. It's back to a 15-point deficit.
Salamat sa inyong panonood mga ka-hoopers. Baka pwede nyong i-like ang video na ito at mag-subscribe na rin para sa mga bagong updates. Hit the notification bell para malaman nyo agad ang mga bagong videos. Maraming salamat!